Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to create a realistic monitor screen in Blender 3D. First of all, select the default cube, then press N to bring the property panel. Set the X dimension to 3.5 and Y dimension to 0.2 and set the Z location to 1. Now go to edit mode, then go to face selection mode. Select this face, press I to insert it a little bit, then press E and extrude it inside. Now go back to object mode, press shift A and add a cube. First of all, scale it along Y direction and then scale it along X direction and then Z direction and place it like here. Now go to edit mode, then edge selection mode. Select this edge and grab it inside a little bit. After that, select this edge and also grab it inside. Now go to face selection mode. Select this face and grab it outside with Y direction. Press I to insert it and extrude it with Z direction. Now press E to extrude it and then press S and scale it like that. Now scale it along X axis and then Y axis and extrude it with Z direction like this. And successfully we have created a support to our PC monitor screen. Now select these two, go to minus Y angle and align it properly. Now let's create a simple table. First of all, shift A and add a plane and then scale it along X direction and then Y direction. And after doing that, go to edit mode, select this face and extrude it a little bit. Now go back to object mode, press shift A, add a cube, presses and scale it down and place it here. Now select the plane, go to modifiers and add a boolean modifier. Take this eyedropper and select this cube and apply it, and successfully we have created a hole. And repeat the same process for these four faces. Now select this plane, go to edit mode, press shift, select these two faces, press X and dissolve these faces. Now select these four faces and extrude it with Z direction, and here it is, we create a simple table. Now for the better detail, go to viewport shading, enable the cavity option and choose the screen type to both. Now select this object. Now go to modifiers and add a bevel modifier. Now increase amount to 0.2 and increase segments to 4. Now select this object, go to modifiers and add a bevel modifier. Now set the amount to 0.2, and here it is, our material has been applied to this object. Now select this object, go to edit mode and select everything except this face. Now select a new material in the base color, make it complete black and decrease the roughness and press on assign button. Now select this face, press P and separate the selection. In the object mode, select the separated part, go to edit mode, select this face and add a new material, press on new button and assign it. Now go to shading window, delete this principal BSDF, delete it. Now press shift A, add an emission shader. Now take a screenshot of your desktop and grab it here, match the color to color and join the emission to surface. Now go to UV editing window. Now select these four vertices, press S and scale it up. Now rotate it 90 angle, and after that select these two vertices and grab it down. Now select these two vertices and place it here, and after that select these two vertices and grab it here. Now select these four vertices and rotate it 180 angle. Now go back to shading window. Now for some brightness, increase the strength to 10th, and successfully we have added our desktop texture. And now I think it's time to create a little bit environment. Press shift A, add a plane, press S and scale it up like that. And you can scale it more if you want. Now go to edit mode, then go to edge selection mode. Select these three edges and extrude it with Z direction. Now select your room, go to modifiers and add a solidify modifier. Increase the thickness and enable the A1 thickness. And now let's add a texture from Blender Kit add-on. And I think this is perfect. Select this texture and our texture has added successfully. And successfully we have created a monitor screen in Blender 3D. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like button and tell us your reaction in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.